Today I'm sharing with you how to fill your brows naturally with Mars O Brow Pencil. I like this pencil because it is beginner friendly, easy to control and does not give those harsh lines. And please don't press too hard because the tip can break. So I'm gonna start with like the bottom area. Lighter, like a very light line. Very light. And then I'm gonna also go over my top section, again very light line because I have very thin and sparse eyebrows, and then I start filling a little in the front section. You have to trust the process. Like I'm taking a little arch here at this point and then I'm coming down like this. So can you see the difference it makes? Now I'll match up my eyebrows. It is too light, it doesn't give you that extreme pigment and you can actually build it up, so it helps. It'll make the brows look more softer and natural, so you have to finish up with a spoolie. So if you're a beginner, I would definitely recommend you use a dark gray or a dark brown pencil to start with. Don't go for jet black eyebrow pencils because they can actually be messy, they can be too pigmented, they can make your eyebrows look darker. They usually say that your hair color should match your eyebrows. I would definitely recommend you this, and if you like natural brows, this is a very good product at a very good price and it is a must buy. And it's done. Natural looking eyebrows don't have to be difficult. You just need a light hand and a little practice and you will be able to ace your eyebrows. Bye bye.